Hello everyone, today we will discuss the best spinning reel for bass with buying guides and reviews. And we will discuss the top 10 best spinning reel for bass. Let's some little bit discuss on it. Hunters and fish catchers love to collect suitable equipment to modify their hunting and fishing experience. Because catching fish and some animals is a complex task, it needs practice and the best tools. However, many are necessary cares for fishing. The most valuable is the rotating reel. That's why we are here with a guide for all the adventure to buy the best spinning reel for bass. Spinning reels can help you learn the skills even if you could improve at fishing. This reel is suitable for beginners and experts. The experts want fishing with these spinning reels and compare the qualities of each one with the others. As a result, we found the 10 best spinning tools for bass that outshine others. So let's have a look at them. KastKing Summer and Centron Spinning Reel. Its features perfect for ultralight ice fishing, unique design and lightweight. It comes high quality and smooth performance. Graphite constructions keeps it rust free. Number 2, Penn Battle Spinning Fishing Reel. Its features it's perfect for ideal saltwater fishing deal. It comes strong body, metal, side plate, rotor and heavy duty aluminum tailfire. Track system with HD 100 carbon, long lasting performance. Number 3, KastKing Royal Legend GT Baitcasting Reel. Its features outstanding performance, unique design and super comfort feature. 8 crossfire magnets for the magnetic braking functions. The oval-shaped ceramic line guide gives user extra protection, whereas main gear provides smooth operations and long reel life. Number 4, Penn Pursuit 3 and Pursuit 4 Spinning Fishing Reel. It features durable constructions and an excellent gear system. The drag system has a better anti-reverse system. The shielded stainless steel ball bearing makes sure smooth functioning in salt water. Superline spool capacity is enough to cover deep lakes. Number 5, Abu Garcia Black Max X Low Profile Baitcast Fishing Reel. Its features perfect for fishing trip. Its mag tracks brake system increase range speed accuracy with the ideal casting control. Strong and comfortable grip help you in field-free casting. Handy and light in weight, both men and women can carry it handily. Number 6, Pflueger President Spinning Fishing Reel. Its features President spinning reels are the best combo of performance and features. The 7-ball wear system is good enough to reduce traction and increase speed. It looks fantastic and offers excellent value. You can buy it as a set with the roots. Number 7, Daiwa BG Spinning Reel. Its features it provides a non-disappointing fishing experience. It has variable line capacity and a lightweight score. It comes high quality constructions, anti-reverse system with push button lock. Number 8, Okama Kemar Spinning Reel. It features multi-teeth track system with 8 bearing system, elliptical gearing system, advanced materials, dynamic design, and durable constructions for long-term functioning. Simple to use with technical ability. Number 9, Shimano Sina Spinning Fishing Reel. It features Super B entry-level fishing reel as curved technology. Its frame has an aluminum build-up, simple to operate and easy on and off. Number 10, Corrado K Spinning Reel for Bass. It features the generations of fishers always count Corrado as their trusted partner. X-shape technology to increase durability and make it more powerful. SVS Infinity is the perfect choice to control the resistance on the spot, well built with high quality parts. So here we discuss top 10 best spinning reel for bars. So you can choose any one of them according to your need. So now we are going to discuss some reviews and feedbacks. You can select according to reviews, customer reviews, and feedback. So on the screen you can read out rating points and some comments that are collected by customers. So so that's it's number two, customer reviews again, and customer comments. You can watch it and read it. So now, thanks for watching. Join us on www.affordableproductsmarket.com slash best dash spinning dash reel dash for dash bus slash. Join us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So link you can see on the screen, www.youtube.com slash at the rate affordable products market 7075.